Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. Some of them are really surprising, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
While it's true that olive oil is packed with health benefits, cooking everything in it can actually have negative consequences for your health. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help lower cholesterol and enhance heart health. However, when it's heated to high temperatures, it can release harmful compounds that can increase your risk of cancer and other diseases. It's no secret that dried fruit is good for you. But did you know that dried plums, in particular, offer a host of health benefits? Dried plum is packed with nutrients. This little fruit is a great source of vitamins and C, potassium, and fiber. Dried plum can help keep you regular. The high fiber content in this fruit helps to keep things moving along smoothly in the digestive tract. Dried plum can also help improve bone health. This fruit is rich in calcium and other minerals that are essential for strong bones. If you're looking for a healthy snack, consider adding dried plums to your diet. There are many benefits to good health, and one of them is joining a chess club. A chess club can provide you with good mental stimulation, which can lead to better cognitive function and improved brain health. Additionally, the social interaction that comes with being a member of a club can help reduce stress levels and promote feelings of well-being. So if you're looking for ways to improve your health, consider joining a chess club. One of the health benefits of learning how to draw human bodies is that it can help improve your coordination. Drawing requires the use of both hands and eyes, and by practicing this regularly, you can help train your brain to better coordinate these two important functions. If you're not sure where to start, there are plenty of resources available to help you learn how to draw human bodies. You can find books, online tutorials, and even classes at some community centers or art stores.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.